Hello everyone, this is Pranit and welcome back to the another video on my channel. So in this video I will be showing how you can use the Arduino with the LCD and with the I2C module or I2C module to display the characters. And for the beginners who don't know what is Arduino and how it works, check out the link in the description for the Arduino basic tutorial. So these are the components that we are going to use in this video. This is the Arduino Nano, the most popular Arduino board, and this is the I2C or I2C module, which will be used to interface the LCD and the Arduino Nano. You can see it has got 4 pins: ground, VCC and SDA and SCL clock pin. SDA is the serial data and SCL is the serial clock pin, and this it has got potentiometer for adjusting the LCD brightness, and it has also got a jumper cap for enabling or disabling the backlight of the LCD. The backlight of the LCD, it can be enabled or disabled with the help of the software or Arduino IDE software also. And these are some jumper wires, male to female jumper wires for connecting the I2C module and the Arduino Nano. And this is the most commonly used 16:2 LCD in every embedded system for displaying the numbers or any alpha characters or any kind of symbols. So this is the connection between the I2C module and the Arduino Nano board. The data pin of this I2C module, that is SDA pin, is been connected to the A4 pin of the Arduino, and the clock pin, that is SCL, is been connected to the analog pin A5 of the Arduino, and the VCC has been connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino, and the ground pin is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. So now let's power up the board by plugging the USB, and let's upload the code to the board. This is the simple Hello World program for the LCD, and the link for the code is being given in the video description box. Download the code and open it in your Arduino IDE software and upload it to your Arduino board. So guys, this was the simple Hello World program for the LCD. You will get all the links for the circuit diagram and the code in the video description box. So guys, thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for the upcoming videos on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and also follow me up on my Instagram page, Pranit eLearnings.